Imagine standing in the Canadian Rockies, staring down into 40-meter deep gorge that was once the bottom of a tropical ocean. Today, we are showing you a side of Kootenay National Park that took over 500 million years to create. Welcome back, explorers. As we continue our journey, we are stepping into a place that truly demands a moment of mindful appreciation. This is Marble Canyon. We aren't just driving through, we are taking the time to slow down, listen to the rush of the water, and witness the raw history carved into this incredible landscape. Before we get too close to the canyon edge, let's talk about the locals. This forest is teeming with incredible wildlife, including moose and bears. It is a beautiful but wild environment, so it's crucial to respect their home. Always stay on the marked trails, hike closely with your group, and carry bear spray at all times. It's all part of being a responsible explorer in the Canadian wilderness. As we followed the trail, we actually came to the spot where two rivers meet, merging these powerful, vivid glacial waters together. That brilliant blue-green color, it's completely natural. It comes from the glacial minerals suspended in the water, reflecting the sunlight perfectly. It's hard to believe, but these towering canyon walls were once part of a warm, tropical seabed more than 500 million years ago, long before the Rocky Mountains even existed. These rocks, with their distinct, layered bands, act like pages in a history book. They show the age and the incredible geological shifts of the earth. Early explorers described this place as looking more like a giant crack in the mountain than a canyon. At several points, the gap is so narrow that giant boulders have become naturally wedged across the opening, forming stone bridges high above the rushing water. If you are enjoying this mindful exploration of the Rockies, please take a second to hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. Share this with a fellow traveler. And if you love discovering new places, make sure to check out our other channel, Roaming Glimpses, for even more hidden gems. And nature's power here isn't just in the water. Look closely at the surrounding forest. Many of these great tree trunks are remnant of a massive historic wildfire. Yet, all around them, a young forest is aggressively reclaimed the land. It's a beautiful story of fire, resilience, and recovery. As we walk along the river, the sheer steepness of this canyon is hard to wrap your head around. But what's even more amazing is the architect behind it. Every drop of water flowing below has helped sculpt this gorge. The stunning canyon was carved by the relentless force of Tokumm Creek, slowly slicing through solid rock over thousands of years. Standing here, looking at this endless flow, fills us with a deep sense of Canadian pride. Did you know that Canada holds roughly 65% of the world's freshwater? It is a staggering blessing and a natural resource we are incredibly grateful for. With every one of the 7 bridges you cross here, Marble Canyon reveals a new perspective. But this area isn't just visually stunning, it's a scientific treasure. Nearby, researchers discovered an extraordinary fossil site containing exceptionally preserved marine creatures from the Cambrian period, revealing the famous Burgess shell. We are truly walking above a half-billion-year-old graveyard of ancient life. This journey has been a humbling reminder of the sheer power of nature and the deep history beneath our feet. We are so thankful to be able to share these glimpses of Canada with all of you. If you love Canadian road trips and finding unique travel experiences just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your fellow travelers. We want to hear from you. What is your favorite road trip of all time? Let us know in the comments below. For even more adventures, visit our second channel, Roaming Glimpses. The link is right there in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.